The semimembranosus is one of the three main hamstring muscles located at the back of the thigh. Of the three hamstring muscles, the semimembranosus is located most medially and is used for flexing the knee joint while extending the hip. Its secondary action is to medially rotate the knee, which is important for stability. If the muscle isn't functioning correctly or is too tight, then this can cause lower back pain, hip, or knee pain. The origin of the semimembranosus is on the ischial tuberosity, which is part of the hip. It runs down the medial side of the thigh before attaching to the medial condyle of the tibia beneath the knee. Due to the fact that it runs from the hip to the knee, it has an important part to play in many daily activities, including bending down. The innervation of the muscle is via the sciatic nerve, and to isolate the knee, just add resistance and it will pop out. And for a fun fact, despite the fact that the semimembranosus is such an important muscle in both movements of the hip and knee, it is unheard of for it to be absent in some cases. Some people may also have a double muscle. These variations, however, are relatively uncommon. Here are some examples of eccentric, concentric, isometric contractions that are assisted by the semimembranosus. In these athletic movements and kicking the soccer ball forward and backwards, you can use the muscle eccentrically and concentrically. Here are some additional athletic movements to use with the semimembranosus. Even if you aren't athletic, you still use your semimembranosus in everyday activities. A common activity of daily living is sitting and standing using your semimembranosus muscle. An example of an isometric contraction would be standing on one leg, and a concentric contraction would be flexing and raising your knee. Another activity of daily living is something that we all do every single day, walking up and down stairs.
So whether you're walking the town, competing in the Olympics, or rocking it out, the semimembranosus is an important muscle used by all.